The Baker Hughes VACS G2 system effectively and thoroughly captures debris from the well bottom or well bore. The VACS system has built a solid reputation in the field over the past decade. Now, its latest Generation 2 modular design means faster rig up and easier debris handling. This enhances safety and reduces HS&E risk, especially in deep water. The VACS G2 system also has a more powerful jet engine for increased reliability and performance. The improved jet engine design results in much greater overall cleaning power. As fluid flows through the jet nozzles, the VACS G2 jet engine increases suction pressure at the base of the tool. The VACS G2 system's maximized suction power greatly reduces the risk of plugging at the bottom of the tool, pulling in any fine, big debris or junk from the well into the tool basket. In addition to the enhanced jet bushing, the VACS G2 version has improved debris retaining modules that increase the efficiency of debris separation and reduce the possibility of debris reaching the screen. Additional modules can easily be added for increased debris recovery. Before the new modular design of the VACS G2 system, when debris was pulled out of hole, it was necessary to separate the debris-containing module from the rest of the downhole equipment. This process exposed cuttings and other debris and required cleanup right there on the rig floor. The VACS G2 design revolutionizes this step. The debris-containing module can be manipulated by standard rig elevators and removed from the rig floor so debris cleanup can be done elsewhere. This greatly reduces HS&E risk and costly non-productive time. For more information about the VACS G2 system, contact your local Baker Hughes representative.